Okay, a couple of ACT problems that you will or could possibly see on your exam. The first one here, we'll have to figure out whether it's law of sines or law of cosines that we're working for. Since we don't see a 90-degree angle, we can never assume we have a right triangle, although right triangles are extremely helpful. Okay, so solve ABC. I'm going to go ahead and draw that triangle. Does not have to be to scale, and you guys know if I'm drawing it, it never is. A is 7, B is 6, and angle A is 26.3. So I know since I have this pair, little a and big A, that I can use law of sines. And so I'm going to set up my ratios for a law of sines, and you do want to make sure your calculator is in degrees when you're working with this. So I'm going to start with my pair, sine of 26.3 degrees over little a, 7, is equal to, and I'm going to make my ratio for B. So we don't know angle B, but we do know little b. So little b is 6, big B is what we're looking for. And then we can solve for B. So I'm going to cross multiply 6 sine of 26.3 equals 7 times sine of B. Divide both sides by 7, and I'm not going to put that in my calculator yet. The way I'm going to get B all by itself is to take the inverse. And that cancels those. If you do this, you get a decimal, that's when you should be like, oh man, my calculator is in radians. I need a degree. I need degrees. So go ahead and put your calculator in degrees. When you put this, sine inverse of 6 times sine of 26.3 all over 7 in your calculator, you should get 22.32 for angle B. If you need help with your calculator, ask me before the day of the exam. Absolutely. If you're watching this video in class and you didn't match my answer there, go ahead and pause the video and come up and ask me, come up and show me your calculator so we can get that taken care of. Okay, so this says solve the triangle. On the exam, you're probably just going to need one piece, but we'll find all the pieces, so we're sure you know how. Next, the next thing we can find here, we're a little bit limited at what we can find when. Now we have to find angle C. And to find angle C, we're going to use the fact that all of the angles in the triangle add up to 180. So I'm going to take 180, and I'm going to subtract angle A, and I'm going to subtract angle B. And when I do all that subtraction, I get that angle C is 131.38 degrees. And that is big C. And you need that so that you can find little c. So this order is important. You have to find big B first. And then you have to find big C. And then you can find side C. Now remember, you know a lot about triangles from geometry. So your biggest side is going to be across from your biggest angle. So if your next side was smaller than side A or side B, you would know something went wrong. That can also, on a multiple choice test, help you eliminate some answers. Anything that was smaller than 6 or 7 is not going to be the right answer because your biggest side has to be across from your biggest angle. Okay, I'm going to reuse this original ratio. And I'm going to do sine of big C, and big C is 131.38 over little c. And now you can just cross multiply and divide. So C times sine of 26.3 is equal to 7 times sine of 131.38, and divide both sides by sine of 26.3. And so side C, when I put that in my calculator, I got 11.85. Biggest side, always across from the biggest angle. Smallest side, always across from the smallest angle. Good way to check your work. Good way to make sure your answers are reasonable. Okay, that's a lot of time.